Okay, my dear students, today we will discuss fifth chapter of geometry, that is math second of class 10th, coordinate geometry. These are the short clips of mathematics. If you want more short clips, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button as well. So first of all, here we are going to discuss the chapter. The name of the chapter is coordinate geometry. Okay students, in this chapter coordinate geometry we will discuss three subtopics, that is distance formula, then section formula, and at last slope of a line. Okay, so we will be discussing over these three subtopics. First of all, let's discuss about distance formula. Distance formula क्या होता है, सबसे पहले हम ये discuss करेंगे. Okay, you can see here the formula for finding the distance is distance of P to Q. Here the distance of P to Q, how it is to be found, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the actual formula to find the distance between 2 points. If we see the first exercise, that is 5.1, it says that we have to find out the distances between 2 points, that is point A to point B. Okay, हमें दो coordinates दिए गए हैं और हमें इसके बीच का distance मालूम करना है. First of all students, हम जानेंगे कि जो दो coordinates होते हैं उनका distance कैसे मालूम किया जाता है. You find the distance of A to B, then you subtract lower number or smaller number from bigger number. So 6 minus 2 will be written to find the distance, because 6 is a greater number and minus 2 is a smaller number. In this way we will find the distance between 2 points. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the actual distance from A to B would be 4. In the same way, if I have to find the distance of point P comma Q, that is minus 1 comma 5. Now at this moment what I will do, I will take the larger number first, then subtract the lowest number, that is the smaller number, which is minus 1. I will write minus 1 into the bracket. So the next step becomes 5 minus into minus, it is plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. In this way we find the distance between 2 points if these are the points which are situated or located on axis, either x-axis or y-axis. Okay, now taking the first question of 5.1 practice set 5.1 first question, we have to find the distance between point A to B. So students, we will write the distance formula, that is distance A to B will be, the formula would be like under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now what is our x2 and what is our x1? So in first case, first coordinate A 2 comma 3, this point is x1, second point is y1. Now in the next bracket, the first point is x2, second point is y2. Okay, you can mention over here so that you can write it properly. X2 minus x1 is nothing but 4 minus x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 is nothing but 1 minus 3 this whole square. Now you can write the answer in the way 4 minus 2 is 2, you have to take the square of 2 plus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 3 minus 2 क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज बड़े नंबर के साथ माइनस है, दैट इज माइनस 3 अगर होगा तो आंसर माइनस 2 आया है, बिकॉज जब भी बड़े नंबर के साथ माइनस होगा, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के अंदर ये रूल याद रखिए, तो आंसर के साथ भी माइनस होगा. जब भी बड़े नंबर के साथ सब्ट्रैक्शन वाली साइन होगी, माइनस वाली साइन होगी, आंसर के साथ भी माइनस वाली साइन होगी. नाउ द आंसर इज 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस minus 2 square is again 4, because minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So answer is under root 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. You can write this 8 as 4 into 2. 4 into 2. क्यों आपने ऐसे लिखा? Because you used square number so that you can take out the square root of that number. So आप 4 का square root बाहर ले सकते हैं, that is 2, और inside the square root there is 2 remaining. So our answer would be the distance from point A to B is 2 under root 2.